Welcome back. So whether you are a year 9 student or you are a year 12 student, sometimes it is too time consuming and unrealistic to calculate the median, maximum, and minimum of sample data, because you have to arrange all the numbers in ascending orders in order to find the median, and you have to check number one by one to find the max or min. So this video is basically pretty straightforward and pretty simple. It is to help you to find the median, max, and min. So what you have to do is to go to second stack, and you can see OPS. After OPS, you go to math. Is actually we want to go to math. And here you can find min, max, median, and min. So in the previous video, in one video, I told you how to find the min by having a list. You can actually find the min by going somewhere here, which is going to the calc and go there. After you have a list, it will actually help you to calculate the median here. It will show later when you have some data. But now I want to calculate the median as well. So that's why I need second stacks. I have to go to math in order to find the median. So I'll start with median. So I don't have to explain too much because you just have to have a number list. So first of all, let's do a list first. So this is L1. Let's have some number here. Let's have some number for us to find the median. Oh, sorry. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we want some number right here for median, just a random thing for today. Not really. It's kind of a messy. It's just random for today. Okay, so we have some number here, and what we want to find a median, so we just go back again to stack, and we go to math, and when we median, we go to number 4, and we can just go list 1. We want to median for list 1, isn't it? So we go second to 1, it'll be list 1. We have to close the parenthesis, and then you'll tell us our median is 43 actually. Or you can also do it here. As you can see here, we have the median as well. You can do it list 1 and show is 43. So it's pretty straightforward. And if I want to calculate the maximum, it's the same thing again. You go to second stack, you go to math, and you have minimum. Let's say minimum first. And it will show you this, and you just have to go second to 1 and close the parenthesis. It will tell you the minimum. And same thing, I mean the same thing definitely for the maximum. I don't want to go to maximum, you go by yourself. And it also tell you the mean. So mean, basically you do the same thing, and it will tell you the mean is 4,000 something. And the important concept I want to introduce to you is sum. So you can also calculate the standard deviation and variance. The difference between the two is basically standard deviation is a square root of variance. And variance doesn't involve the square root. The other step does the same, which is x minus the mean square divided by n, which is the number of terms, or n minus 1. So standard deviation variance basically calculate, look for the outlier, look for how close are the data in the population, how close are the data in your sample to the mean. So in finance or many other fields, it is to calculate the probability, to calculate the risk and return, something like that. So you can also calculate the standard deviation, and maybe you guys haven't calculated the sum, but basically it's adding up. It basically is a result of adding up all the numbers in my number list. So those are the different mathematical options I want to use. So I think once you got to this page, once you know how to get to this page, it's pretty easy for you. Just choose what you want to do, and you're always leading to this page where you can perform a calculation given a list for second and a number. Okay, so this is pretty much about what I want to talk in this lesson. So hope you guys understand what I'm talking about. Hope this helps to clear some of your doubts, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.